Welcome back, everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS colors. And right now, we'll be discussing about CSS HSL colors. So, what is CSS HSL colors? The CSS HSL colors stands for hue, saturation, and lightness. Once again, the HSL color stands for hue, saturation, and lightness. So if you need hue in your color, if you need hue and saturation and lightness in your colors, you can easily use it. And once again, I will tell you something. Some people may think, what is the benefit of using HSL colors when I'm already having the RGB color, I'm already having X color? Those are useful. They are also useful. Yes, they are so useful. But this HSL color also is so useful. But it just depends on what you want to do. That is the scope. If you are getting to the advanced level in using colors and all that, you will need to find a one that you can use that will make your documents easy, make you work faster, and so on. So that's the benefits of using of learning how to use this. So in our next tutorial, we are going to talk about it in deep details. Anwar akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you so much.